Hello folks, hope everybody is fine. Today we're gonna see what's inside this thing, a torch. So this is a torch. So let's see what's inside this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like from the inside. So let's unscrew this. It's got unscrewed. So this is what looks from the inside of a torch. So folks, there is this board here which is connected with the light here inside the bulb. So not that much thing, just wires and a board to support it, and the light should not fall apart. So, and a small battery here, rechargeable battery, and foil of rubber and a little bit of iron to absorb sunlight. So a capacitor, resistors, and a bulb, small bulb again, and small resistors, capacitors and resistors connected together, and a thing to plug into the wire to get this thing charged. This thing is directly not connected with here. First the current is passed from this portion to here, and then the alternating current, which is to 20 volt, it's changed into 5 to 20 volts, and as the capacity of battery is a little bit small, so that's the changed current is stored in here. So the capacitor and the resistors just resist the current and store the charges right in this battery. So this battery is basically a small lithium-ion battery, so a dry cell. The thing here is the just the power button. This is just a power button. So let's patch these things up. So basically not that much things inside a torch, but this thing it's very useful for people with old age and people who have sight deficiency. That's very good thing to have a torch with them. But nowadays the trend has changed, is more and more people are using their mobiles and things that light is quite abundant nowadays and sufficient to people as well. So thank you guys, hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere Science. Thank you guys.